Hey family, this is Darlene. I'm going to be making some wire abstract earrings, and these are one of the pairs I'm going to be adding to the eBay shop. Well, not shop, but the selling portal. And then I'm going to also add some to my Etsy shop. So these are like real simple, really easy, long dangle abstract earrings. And I figure since I was making them, I'm gonna have to take this out of the camera for a minute. I figured I would go ahead and do it on camera real quick. And these are real quick and easy. And I'm going to be using this little small wood piece. This came off of a a little wood hammer that I got at the 99-cent store. So I wanted to make some smaller hoops, but try to make them a little different than regular hoops. So I said, okay, I need something small, something round. And Lord and behold, the little wooden hammer was sitting right there looking at me. So I'm going to use this to make these earrings. I'm trying to see if I have a pair up here. So these are what we're going to be making. The abstract gold tone dangle earrings. And these look really pretty on. If you got big hair, if you got short hair, if you got long hair, if you got curly hair, if you got straight hair, if you pin your hair up in a ponytail, in a bun, anything, these look really nice on the ear, and they're very simple and they wear well with anything. So that's what we're going to be making real quick. So I'm going to take the wire and I want to wrap it around here four times. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then I'm going to bring it up. And then I'm going to need to cut some of this wire off. I'll cut it about right here because I want to wrap the extra wire around the longer piece of wire like that. And then as I wrap it, I want to make it tighter around there to where it looks like this. And then I'll use my pliers to finish wrapping the wire around. And then we have that, and we have this extra where we're gonna hoop it so we'll have somewhere to hang our, oh, there we go. That came right on out. So this is what we have when we wrap the wire around this little wood piece. So what I want to do is take these, spread them out, spread it out, and I'm going to grab it from the middle. And I just want to begin to pull it downward. And that gives me the abstractness of the earring. So I'm going to take, and this is what it looks like so far. And that's the bottom part of her earring. So I'm going to take the top up here, I'm going to bend it, and that's what that should look like. And I'm going to create my hoop, or my big, circle part up here, hoop part, so I can put the fish hook. And I want to straighten this out, make it straighter. Wrap some down around the bottom to make it a little thicker. This is the 18 gauge gold tone wire too, so this is really light. I'm going to take it back up to fill it in up here. And then I'm going to lift that wire up a little bit so I can cut it and tuck it. So I'm going to cut it about right here. Maybe not enough. A little bit more. I'm going to use my pliers to turn it inward. And then I want to chuck it in. And that's one of our earrings. Then I want to take the wire, put it around the wood piece and wrap. 1, 2, 3, 4. Actually, I think it came out to be 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, I think it came out to be 5. And that's fine. It's really a matter to preference. So I'm going to cut some of this extra off. And I want to take the smaller piece, grab it, and wrap it around the longer piece. I'll straighten that out and just begin to wrap that shorter piece around. Trying to make it as nice and snug as you possibly can. And take my pliers and close it around the wire. And then I want to take it off of the wood piece. Now, you know, I got that kind of snug, okay? Yeah, I got that nice and tight on there, but it's still going to come off with a little effort. With effort and not bending the wire. So here we go. It should be coming off right about. There we go. And this is what it is when it comes off. So I want to take it, spread the wire like so, and then it looks like this. And you want to take the middle circle and pull downward. And they're abstract earrings, so let's see if we got them about the same. And then I'm going to take the top part, the stem here. I'm going to bend it. It should look like that. And I'm going to make a hoop. And I'm going to begin to wrap the wire. And I'll bend the wire up so I can clip it. And I know this probably looks like wasted wire, but it's not. What I'm going to use this for, anytime I end up with extra wire like this, I always use it to create charms from beads. So this is a bead that I created a charm from. This is a bead that I created a charm, and this was just basically a charm. So anytime I have extra pieces of wire like this, this is what I use them for, so it's not wasted wire. Okay, so let's make sure they're the same length, which they look to be. And I'm going to tuck this extra wire. Okay, and then we'll put some hooks on them. Really easy, simple, 1, 2, 3 kind of earrings. And you can imagine what you can do with just doing that. You could even add beads onto the wire. And when the beads are on the wire, you could wrap it around and space the beads out as you wrap it. And then you can have beads on here. You could even have a charm hanging from, you could even have some type of charm. Oh man, I should have put this on here, huh? You can even have some, and I still can if I do hang this on here with a jump ring or something. That'll give the earrings even more personality. But I think these are just lovely. And I will be wearing a pair of these one day this week. I love hoops and I love wire earrings. And these are really easy and simple. You'll never even know they're on your ears. They're so light. And I like that. I like very different. I like very unique type of earrings. And that is exactly what these are. Abstract dangle earrings. So Darlene Knight, Jewelry by BDK. Be sure to subscribe if you're not a subscriber. If you are a subscriber, thank you so much for being a part of this community. If you're not a subscriber, go ahead and subscribe. Hit the bell notification and then hit all so you'll be notified each time I upload a video. And it could be some pretty good stuff, some stuff you might want to see.